Welcome back again for another live session. So in this video, in this sessions, I will try to answer all your queries. So if you have any questions, then please give your comment. I will try to answer those in the live sessions. Okay. So आज का सेशंस जनरली फ्रेशर्स रिलेटेड है कि आप लोग देखते होंगे कि फ्रेशर्स का जनरल केसेस में क्या हो रहा है कि उन लोगों का ऑफर्स को अभी डिले किया जा रहा है, तो रीजंस क्या है, इन सब पे हम लोग बातें करेंगे। और डिफरेंटली अगर आप लोगों का और भी कोई क्वेरीज हो तो प्लीज़ आप लोग कमेंट करें, आई विल ट्राई टू आंसर योर्स। सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू। उससे पहले जस्ट मैं कुछ जगह ये डाल देता हूँ अदर प्लेसेस में, जैसे कि आप कह सकते हैं कि टू वन और टू प्लेसेस जहाँ से मैं आप लोगों का आंसर दे पाऊँ। तो आई होप सारा स्ट्रीमिंग सही है, एवरीथिंग इज़ गुड। सो अगर आप लोगों का इस बीच में कोई क्वेश्चंस हो या कोई क्वेरी हो तो प्लीज़ आप कहें, एंड आई थिंक एवरीथिंग इज़ फाइन। सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू। एंड बिफोर कंटिन्यूइंग कुछ क्वेश्चंस थी पुरानी, आप लोगों ने कमेंट किया था विच आई हैवेंट रिप्लाइड। सो let's reply those questions, or in this beach may if you have any query then don't hesitate, give. Okay, so Abhishek Soni, so hi Abhishek. Yeah, so one comment were there which was asked by Shivani Povada. So hi Shivani, so she asks that is there any bond for freshers in IBM? I think yes, there is a bond for 2 years for freshers in IBM. So yeah, there is a bond. Okay. So another questions which was asked by one of my, I would say, uh, YouTube user. He asks, his name is Bhanu Prakash. So hi Bhanu. So he asks, can you share any detail like activity performing orally in the current team to competitor company if the project is getting over to them in next month and if they want to hire us. See, ethically it is not. I mean, you can. I mean, if your project is getting handover, and your manager is asking you to do the handover kind of thing, then yeah, you have to give KT to them. But that should be recorded. I mean, in our time also, I was working on one project, something like AXA, and then that project went to Cape Germany. So we used to give KT to them, but everything should be recorded. I mean, we used to have a KT sessions and everything used to get recorded. So it's better to do everything on record rather than off records. Okay, so SP asks one question. So, hi sir, I uploaded my bill more than 3 days. Still, it is not getting amount from anybody. So if you are applying for, I would say, double salary, so it would take around 7 days. So wait for 7 days. In 7 days, 7 to 10 days, it will get credited. So for live audience, if you have any query, then please comment here. I will try to answer all of yours. And these are the past questions which has been asked in my channel, which I haven't replied till now since I was busy for some work. So okay, so Muhammad Amiruddin, hi Muhammad. So will IBM credit yearly annual leave if we are on notice period? If my last working day is first week of April. This is very interesting question. So many people says this. Okay, many people think that okay, if we are leaving an organization within like for Amir case, if he is leaving an organization in a 1 week, then what will happen? So generally, IBM did do, they used to credit all the holidays at once, but when it will go for the full and final settlement, it it will follow something like mean the number of day you will work for that number of day, they will take an average that okay, if you have worked for that number of day, then what would be your leave, and then they will pay you according to that leave. It's not that If 22 days has been credited, then all 22 days leave you will be getting. Okay, Abhishek Shoni, so you have asked a lot of questions. So I'm moving back to the live audience. So let's see. So Abhishek has asked a few questions, and let's see what he asks. So I have one query about non-disclosure agreement by one of the MNCs, and I am in dawn about it. Can you give me until 2 years after the termination of employee with the company, employee will not direct or indirect solicit business from the competitor or the client of the company, nor engage in any employee principal partner blah 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 with a competitor client for the company. Yeah, mean, see, this clause will be effective only if you are working in that project, in the same project, and against the company. so so this clause, this is not a new clause. I mean, it was there a few years back also. Okay, but you will see, or you might have heard that within 2 3 day people change the company, right? I mean, if the client want, they can get this clause is applicable to you, that you cannot do that thing. But if your client want this, if they are desperate for you, then within 2 days they can take you from one company to another company. Mean a big MNCs cannot do anything if their client asks for this. Okay, so don't worry. I mean, if your client is doing this, and then uh, I mean, he is asking you to come to their company, then this clause will not do any effect. Okay, so सहजार खान, लॉन्ग टाइम एक कंपनी में रहना सही, लॉन्ग आई थिंक लॉन्ग टाइम एक कंपनी में रहना सही है क्या? सी लॉन्ग टाइम रहना जनरली सही है, बट अगर आपको उससे कुछ बेनिफिट्स मिल रहा है, इफ़ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी बेनिफिट्स, इफ़ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग गुड हाइक्स, इफ़ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी, then people used to switch. See, it's totally depend upon you, that what you are getting. If you are getting hike in proper time, if you are getting hike uh, in, I mean, if you are getting promotions, or if you are getting on-site opportunity, then why not? लॉन्ग टाइम रहने में क्या खराबी है? लोगों को देखिए 20 20 साल 10 10 साल भी रहते हैं. I mean, people usually change a company due to one or two reasons. Bad projects is the first reason. I would say the first reason is the salary, the growth of a salary. If you don't get a good growth, good salary growth, then why you will stay in a company for the longer time? And second and foremost thing is projects. Rest everything, I would say, is a tertiary thing, which does not have that much of importance. But these two things are the most important things. So अगर आपको ये दोनों चीज़ मिलता है, मीन इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग अ गुड प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड अ गुड सैलरी हाइक, मीन योर सैलरी इज एज पर द मार्केट स्टैंडर्ड, देन हाँ, लॉन्ग टाइम रहने में खराबी क्या है? So Abhishek Soni, competitor company, Abhishek Soni also again asks one question. So competitor company, like if we terminate TCS employee, so we cannot join CTS or IBM Accenture until to no 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 Abhishek, it's not that. See, uh, this kind of clause they usually have, mean for some, I would say, mean it was there, and you can work on the similar project, you can work on the same projects. Okay, I mean, just I have been uh, in IBM, and then now I'm working in TCS. So this is not the case. The case is something else, that if you're working on some big projects or some important projects, so you cannot approach by yourself. Okay, and you mean, even if you can do that, then it's very rare case that first company will get to know that where you went and in which projects you are. so so it's not the case. मीन ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि आप कभी भी एक कंपटीटर कंपनी में काम कर रहे तो दूसरे में नहीं जा सकते. ये नन क्लाउज आपका इन्फोसिस ने डाला था, बट इसको हाई कोर्ट ने भी स्टे डाला हुआ है. सो ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. हाँ, कुछ केस ऐसा हो सकता है, कुछ लोगों को रोकने के लिए ऐसा करते हैं कि अगर आप एक कंपनी में था, आप टीसीएस में हैं, और उसके बाद आपको अगर आईबीएम में जाना है सेम प्रोजेक्ट्स में, तब आईबीएम में नहीं जा सकते, लेकिन अगर क्लाइंट चाहेगा देन यू कैन डू दैट थिंग। तो ये क्लाउज उस लिए कि अगर सेम प्रोजेक्ट सेम क्लाइंट के लिए अगर आप उसका कॉम्पिटिटर कंपनी में जा रहे हैं, सेम प्रोजेक्ट सेम क्लाइंट के लिए, विदाउट देयर कंसर्न, without the client concern, then they can take action. But if you are going to a different project, अगर आप डिफरेंट प्रोजेक्ट में जा रहे हैं तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, इस तरह का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आप जा सकते हैं, ये क्लाउज वॉइड हो जाता है। So I hope I have answered your question. Sayan Pal. So hi Sayan. So Sayan Pal has also given one. I mean, उन्होंने क्वेश्चन पूछा है। सो करंटली आई एम इन बीपीएस जॉब इन सीटीएस। आई डोंट हैव टेक्निकल डिग्री, आई हैव बीएससी। कैन आई बिकम ए सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर इन नियर फ्यूचर? करंटली आई एम स्टडिंग पाइथन एंड आई विल बी लर्निंग मोर। यस, यू कैन। मीन देखा गया है कि लोग, इफ़ यू लर्न वेल, इफ़ यू कैन एग्जीक्यूट द थिंग्स वेल, देन वाई नॉट। मीन कोई भी बाप के पेट से पढ़ के नहीं आता, माँ के पेट से कोई पढ़ के नहीं आता है। दे लर्न फ्रॉम देयर एक्सपीरियंस। सो अगर आप uh, सही से कोई भी चीज़ को लर्न करेंगे, देन श्योरली श्योरली यू विल गेट अ चांस। मीन ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि हाँ, आप अगर इस इंडस्ट्री में नहीं हैं तो आपको नहीं मिलेगा। मीन मिलता है, ये हो सकता है, ठीक है। नॉट नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल इन सॉफ्टवेयर इंडस्ट्री। सो साजर खान, मैं नोट जेएस पे वर्क करता हूँ, पर मुझे 4 साल हो गया है और मुझे और क्या क्या लर्निंग करनी चाहिए? सो सदर, इफ़ यू आर वर्किंग इन नोट जेएस और एनीबडी इज वर्किंग इन ए जेएस फ्रेमवर्क, देन जेएस के लिए एक कह सकते हैं कि आपको ट्राई टू बी, कह सकता हूँ, ट्राई टू बी अ फुल स्टैक डेवलपर। क्योंकि जेएस में क्या होता है कि अगर आप नोट जेएस आप जानते हैं, जैसे मैं खुद नोट जेएस में काम करता हूँ, मैं खुद नोट जेएस जानता हूँ, तो जब भी मैं कंपनी में इंटरव्यूज़ के लिए बैठता हूँ, तो कंपनी यूज टू एक्सपेक्ट, मीन दे यूज टू एक्सपेक्ट दैट ओके यू शुड ऑल्सो नो सम फ्रंट एंड टेक्नोलॉजी ऑल्सो, बिकॉज दोज टेक्नोलॉजीज आर ऑल्सो जावास्क्रिप्ट बेस्ड टेक्नोलॉजी. So if you are there for last 4 years, then I would suggest try to learn React or Angular, any one of those two. That would be helpful for you for near futures. Okay, so please learn React or Angular. I would suggest React. So please learn any one of those. That would be helpful for your near futures. So Abhishek, next question. Abhishek Soni, thank you so much, sir. So thank you, Abhishek, for coming into my channel and giving your valuable comments. So thank you. सजर खान, एक्सिस बैंक में जाना कैसा रहेगा सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट SDE2 पर? अच्छा रहेगा सजर। मीन एक्सिस बैंक बैंकिंग प्रोजेक्ट इसमें जाना ठीक है, लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए रहेगा, सही है। ओके, अभिषेक कुमार से, सर रिसेशन आ रहा है क्या? ये दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन मार्क सर। अभिषेक कुमार, दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन मार्क। रिसेशन किस इंडस्ट्री के लिए आएगा, ये कुछ इंडस्ट्री स्पेसिफिक हो सकता है। क्योंकि देखिए, अभी 3 साल से वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमी में अगर आप देखेंगे तो बहुत सारा उथल पुथल चल रहा है ड्यू टू कोरोना फर्स्ट, एंड देन रशिया यूक्रेन वॉर। बट स्टिल मीन आईटी इंडस्ट्री ने काफ़ी इवॉल्व किया है, बहुत सारे अदर इंडस्ट्री में काफ़ी इफेक्ट पड़ा है, जैसे कि इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इंडस्ट्री हो गया, ट्रांसपोर्ट इंडस्ट्री, हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री, but IT industry has been also. So IT industry will remain safe for the upcoming time also. But मैं कोई शास्त्र नहीं हूँ, बट मैं जितना जानता हूँ कि आईटी इंडस्ट्री पे ये रिसेशन का जो आने का जो अनुमान दिया जा रहा है, क्योंकि वर्ल्ड बैंक ने जो ग्रोथ का जो परसेंटेज है वो बार बार IMF कम किए जा रहे हैं, बट स्टिल आईटी इंडस्ट्री के बारे में ऐसा इस तरह का कोई डायरेक्ट न्यूज़ नहीं है कि देयर विल बी रिसेशन इन आईटी इंडस्ट्री। हाँ, मीन देर इज अ न्यूज़ दैट few companies are delaying. That might be reason. The reason for that might be they have done a whole lot of recruitment last year. Mean in Jan to June, July, what they did, they recruit everyone. Mean you might have asked a fresher that how many offers you are holding. If that person is a good, having a good knowledge or any knowledge, he might have one, two, three, four offer. So every company, almost all the MNCs have uh, went beyond their budget, went beyond their capacity, and hire a huge amount of candidate. Now what happening? Now people's either rejecting their offer, or they are not in a condition to give joining to all each and every members. Okay, so due to that some delays are happening, और इस delays को कुछ लोग रिसेशन से भी ले रहे हैं. But as per I know, software industry is on the right track, and एटलीस्ट सॉफ्टवेयर इंडस्ट्री में रिसेशन नहीं होगा जिस तरह का आपका हॉस्पिटैलिटी या इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इंडस्ट्री में स्लो डाउन हुआ है. उस तरह का सॉफ्टवेयर इंडस्ट्री में उस तरह का स्लो डाउन नहीं होगा. बट यू नेवर नो. मीन लास्ट टाइम 2008 का रिसेशन आप लोग को पता ही है कि वर्ल्ड एक दिन में ही जा करके दुनिया कहाँ से कहाँ. बट स्टिल वी कैन होप दैट देयर विल बी नो रिसेशन. या. So Abhishek Soni, so again he asks one more question. After accepting IBM offer, can we request them to revise the compensation, or I got more than IBM offer with other company but I want to join IBM? Yes, Abhishek. Mean this is one of the, I would say, best way of negotiation. Like if you have one offer, you can you can use that offer, or hold another offer and then come back to the company that, hey sir, hey, I have this offer, and I want to join your company, so please match this offer, I will be joining. So most of the people do this kind of stuff, and you also do this. You will, I mean, either IBM match that offer, but if it is beyond their limits, or if it's very high, then also they will raise your earlier offer. So you can do this thing. Okay. Abhishek Kumar Singh. So hi Abhishek. One final question, sir. Can we join TCS after an year if we are already got offer earlier but did not join for some reason? TCS is very bad in this thing, Abhishek. I mean, sometimes what they do, they keep your profile open. Okay. I mean, if you accept their offer and did not join there, they are very bad. I mean, they what to do? They does not close your account, or so what happened when you apply again, it will again show that, oh, you have already applied for one job. So in that way, until any HR or any manager, or anything closed your previous details, previous account, you will not get able to apply there. So this is one bad thing which TCS does. दे डज दिस थिंग रैंडमली. मीन वो हर एक के साथ नहीं करता, पर रैंडमली देखा जाता है कि अगर 10 में से 5-6 बंदे का ऐसे कर देते हैं कि इफ़ यू एक्सेप्ट देयर ऑफर एंड डज नॉट जॉइन देयर, they keep your profile open, and due to that what happen, when you second time when you apply, your application will get rejected. Okay. uh, Varshal Nalla Gonda. So hi Varshal. He asked one question that IBM का job security कैसा है when compared to CTS. See, job security totally depend करता है upon you, your skill, how you manage yourself, or how you manage your technical expertise, right? मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा कि कॉग्निजेंट का जॉब सिक्योरिटी बहुत ख़राब है. ठीक है, ठीक है. आई मीन देर आर सम टाइम when you don't perform, or when company don't perform, they ask people to leave. ये किसी से छुपा हुआ नहीं है. इन कंपेयर टू दैट IBM का जॉब सिक्योरिटी मैंने जहाँ तक देखा है, इट्स वेरी गुड, इट्स fairly good. मीन if you don't perform well, if a company don't perform well, then again they may ask you to leave. But comparatively, I can say the job security in IBM is better than cognizant. But again, it totally depend upon your account, your skill, and the managers under whom you are being deployed. But in general case, IBM job security is higher than the Cognizant. I do not say that, I do not want to say that Cognizant is a very bad company. It's a fairly good company, but comparatively, I feel IBM has better job security. So I think all the questions has been answered. So anyone have any questions? Then please comment below. Else I will go to the past question which has been piled up. ओके, सो देखता हूँ, कुछ क्वेश्चन में जाता हूँ पास्ट में. ओके, बाय द वे, if anyone want to contact me, mean through LinkedIn or anything, then they can go to my channel, and in award section I have all the details. I mean, my LinkedIn detail, my Instagram detail, and everything. I generally answer your if you want to talk to me one to one, then in LinkedIn or in Instagram I generally give answer. But in office time भैया, ऑफिस टाइम में आप लोगों को कम रिप्लाई मिलता है. और कह सकते हैं कि ऑफिस टाइम के बाद में वहाँ पे वन टू वन रिप्लाई मिल जाएगा. जनरली आप अगर इफ़ यू गिव योर comment in YouTube, then you will get a fast reply. But if you want a one-to-one communication, then you can go there, go to my Instagram and LinkedIn. I will try to answer your queries. Okay. Ah, so Anurag have asked one question that 3 years experience, 6 lakh CTC. Do you should we go and join Cognizant? So this question, I think before asking me, you should ask yourself that is 6,000 6 LPA is better than, what to say, i- is sufficient for you for 3 years of experience candidate. I would say no. I mean, if I would have been in your position, then I would say no. But it differ from people to people, situation to situation. If that salary is good for you, then you can join. Else I would say it's not worthy of switching. I mean, you if you ask your company, your company will definitely match the salary. So you can wait there for 6 months or 1 year, and then again you can try. You can get a salary of at least 10 LPS. So it totally depend upon you. But I would say, Anurag, wait this time. Ask your company to match your salary, or continue giving interview. You will get a better salary than this. Okay, Abhishek Soni again asked for a question. So, sir, CTS giving work from home virtual onboarding initially, and HR told me that it will be work from home, but I am not sure how long it will be work from home. He he told verbally only, not on written and offer letter. Yes, so written means, see, unless in IT industry, one thing is for sure, that unless you get anything in written, it's not confirmed. So even your HR said that okay verbally that it will be your work from home only, then but unless they give you in a return, either in a mail or in your offer letter, I don't believe them. Because one day office will get open and they will ask every person to come. From, I would say, August, I am also going to the office 2 days a week. So one day it will become 5 day, and then they will ask the juniors also to come to the office. And I feel the juniors should come to the office, because when I was a junior, I mean, even if I was working in one room, but we used to get stuck. I used to get stuck a lot. The thing which I was able to understand in a day, if I sit with a senior, and I show that problem to the senior, that problem get resolved within half an hour. Because half or some time verbally I tell them, they used to give me the solutions. But that connections are not happening in virtually. So one day you will come, and if you are thinking about the work from home kind of thing, then take it in written. Verbal thing will does not last in IT industry. So Ratan Lamba, do you use React? Yes, I use React. Okay, so let's go to some old questions again. Okay, how to contact you to get it? So I have given answer you. So Sayyed Firoz have asked a question that, hi Firdos, I need your help on this question. How to sustain, justify, convince HR or the interview for moving out from the company in just 6 months as why searching for job. So the reason might be a good projects that you haven't got a good projects supporting work or kind of thing. Okay, I, I think if you are living in a company in a very short time, if it's a big company, then projects kind of thing is very important, right? So Ratan Lamba asks few more questions. Sir, I have 1 years of Node.js backend development, but here the people want full stack in my area. What should I do? They pay less to backend developer. Yeah, I mean, see, that's what I have. Answered to one of the person who have a comment here that he was having 4 years of experience and he was only knowing Node. I suggested him to be a full stack developer because in current market people want a single person to know everything, and with the gain of a knowledge you have to be like that only. That's why if you are Node.js developer, you should learn either of React or Angular. I mean, any one of those is a compulsory thing in today's market. If you want to sustain for a longer time or if you want to get a good salary. I also try to learn different things. I mean, since I have more than around 9.5 years of experience, and till now I try to learn React, Angular, and different kind of technology when it's come to the market. So you have to upgrade and upskill yourself. Unless you do that, you are working in a private company, right? Your jobs is a private, so a company want something from you and they want to take some benefit from you. So how you can give that? By bringing a new technology or by bringing a new skill into yourself, you can only survive. So so learn those things. I mean, stucking on a single thing, it's not a good thing. Okay, so Abhishek Soni, sir, my primary skill set is Java, but in IBM job is more focusing on AWS cloud. I am so sir, I am scared, but if I join for the skill set lost path skills on Java. See, see, IBM. What I know, IBM is fully focusing for the cloud, but but cloud give you infrastructure, not the coding, right? So what will happen? Your infrastructure will be in cloud, your server will be in cloud, but you have to do coding in Java. So don't worry. I mean, I was also in cloud domain, right? But I used to work with Node.js and AngularJS. So that's a different thing. Don't worry. Be confident. Ratan Lama, how would you approach to learn React as a beginner? Guide me, please. So I follow YouTube videos, LinkedIn videos, or Udemy, or those kind of things, and then follow thoroughly. I mean, if you if you pick up any video which has a good view, then go through it from first to the last, and try to do hands-on practice. Without hands-on, you will not learn. So do hands-on practice. Create some one or two dummy projects, then it will help you. Okay. Which is more important? So Anurag, I have asked one more question. That which is more important for product-based company, coding or development? I would say logic. I have worked in a product-based company, and I have developed two products. So you should know your basic right and believe in KIS funda. Keep it simple funda. I mean, my director used to say one thing. Always keep your code as simple as you can, because you can make it complex in a later stage. So if you are starting, make write all variables name as informative as you can. Write your function name as informative as you can. Keep your function simple and know your basic. Mean, if whatever technology you are working, know ABC of that technology. Mean it's not that mean because you are making a product and the product will go to the ample changes, okay, in the future. So whatever you do, be precise and be and make your code testable, okay. So I would say coding or development, the most important thing is the logic, I mean how you implement your logic, and how simple you write your code. If you can do these two things, and third is reusability of the code. So these few things which a product company want from you. If you can do that, then well and good. So Heather Rizvi, so hi Heather, how can you tell about ICICI extra FD? No Heather, I don't have any knowledge. Okay. Ratan Lama, how did you learn system design? Please. See, I mean, it will come. I mean, you have to do some courses, and this thing will come with the time. Okay. So learning through learning also. So Panigrahi Technosoft Rise. So hi Panigrahi. I got offer from Amazon with 65 and Microsoft with 56. Where should I join? Domain is Microsoft database migration at the rate of Panigrahi Technosoft. Means since you are getting an offer from the two market leader, Microsoft and Amazon, both are good. So it's your choice. I mean, it's your choice to join any of one of those. See, I mean, my level is not that much high. I mean, these two are my, I would say, dream company, and I haven't worked there, but you got an offer from those company. Uh, so it's Azan. So let's close this session, and hopefully we will meet again. So bye bye. Since